sometimes sanding is rewarding, sometimes sanding is just boring. Well, although this seems to be for me kind of rewarding, as I get the nice surface on here, well, it actually, I should do other things, but at the moment it's raining outside, I can't unload the trailer and all of these things, can't cut the maple I've got, and well, I'm a little frustrated. And all these you can do projects piling up my shop, as you see, well, they lead to the fact that other than the weather is frustrating you, all of these things are also frustrating me, because I can't go a step forward on what I actually want to do, or, well, I don't improve on my turnings, or I can't discover new things as I like to. Well, I don't know. It's not the best time of the year, as all the people said, when it's getting dark outside, it's bad for any depression, but okay, I guess I'll make it. And this thing is still annoying me. Sanding at 170 now, and this annoys me really, the sound, as if there's something wrong here. Okay, nevertheless, I guess I go on for the next flashlight cover. Still got 3 to go, and then my prepared blanks are done. And see what comes next. Well, six three-sided tea light holder, tea light candle holder. Yeah, all the things you want to do but you can't do because, okay, sanding is getting into the way. So now I put on some sanding sealer and call this done. Thank you for being with me, as it is real frustrating when you're doing everything alone like I'm doing here, and in the end you don't know what it is good for, what you are doing, because it seems like none is appreciating what you're doing, but this might be my overall thought of what I'm doing. Well, I don't know. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope to be back with another project in a couple of days. See you next time.